Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video, we're gonna talk about how to create a professional social media manager portfolio for free on Canva. So let's say that you want to make a social media portfolio. We'll just search, go to templates, social media portfolio. So here that we can see that we have a portfolio here. So we just press customize this template. So maybe put your name here, or we can see that there's a lot of templates here. We can just change this to new ones, or maybe we just other templates here. Here we can see that the pages here, or we can just find something that suits us better. Let's say this is you, this is your Richard Sanchez. We can change this picture to whatever picture you want. Let's say change this to your picture. You can just add your picture here by going here and just put whatever file you want. Just say your name is Mike Cortez. So just Mike and Cortez. Then here, social media manager. Here we can put about you, so your experiences and anything. You can just change this. Then your experience here. Let's see that you just put your experiences here as a social media manager. That's so very easy. Here, just basically edit all the templates and just put whatever sources, images you have. So this one you can change it to your credentials. So your skills, just edit the skills, whatever skills you want. So for everything, it's actually the same thing. Canva is more on making graphics designing easy for everyone. So that's the main purpose of Canva. So what you wanna do is just go to Canva, like select any template for your portfolio and just what you call this? You just replace these images by going to elements or uploading some files that you have and replacing it. Let's say that this is you, one of your portfolio. Just drag it to the box and it will fit in there. So yep. So thank you for watching the video. Once again, this is how you create a social media manager portfolio through Canva, and just input it or export it through PDF and maybe share it to your clients. Once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button for more Canva tips and tricks to come. Thank you for watching.